Hey everybody, my name's Adam and I'm the owner of Antique Motors, and today I want to show you guys this 1971 Honda CT70. Before we get going, I'd like to ask everybody to subscribe to our channel. We love bringing you guys really cool stuff to check out, cars, bikes, automobilia, so you get to see some of our past videos and see some of the future stuff we have coming. So we're going to go over this Honda CT70. We're offering this on Bring a Trailer right now at no reserve, along with 3 other vintage motorcycles and a custom-made ATC aluminum enclosed trailer. So if you're looking for a trailer and a new bike, perhaps 2 new bikes, go check out our listing on BAT and get to bidding. They're all no reserve. So this is a 71 model, like I mentioned, finished in candy topaz orange. It's all original bike aside for the battery, the fluids / consumables, and the rear tire. The front tire is original. So this bike was sold new in California, spent the majority of its life there, then it went to a collection in Florida before coming to our collection. So, included with the bike is the original sales paperwork, a copy of the original check that, the gentleman, the original owner who bought it, wrote, the original California title that comes with it. It's being sold on a Michigan title, but we still have the original California title. Speaking of, California blue plate here is the original. Plate number matches what is on the title. It was last tagged in '78 in California. So pretty cool history there. Mileage is original, 3,174 miles. This is just a Survivor, and it's in fantastic shape. We got a few little, wear marks. There's a little tiny little chip there, and the seat is cracked right here and right here, but we have an OEM Honda replacement that comes with it. So if the next owner wants to take this off, preserve it, put on the OEM replacement, so you can scoot around a little bit on it and play with it a little. You can do that, preserve this. You got your standard wear and tear on some of the casings and the pegs, but it's the original 70. These are 72 cc's. They call them 70, but the original 72 cc single engine. We just rebuilt the carburetor. It was a little gummed up. Everything's running great now. Put a brand new battery. I'll show you guys that. Brand new Yuasa battery, as well as original toolkits up here. Took photos of all the toolkit unraveled and rolled out in the gallery on Bring a Trailer. We're one of the biggest volume sellers of vehicles on Bring a Trailer. We've been doing it since 2015. Got over 320 some listings at this point. I think we're coming up on. So bid with confidence in the bike, bid with confidence in us as the sellers. And with that, I want to do a cold start, and then we'll take it outside and show you guys how it runs. So I'll show you guys everything's nice and cool. Okay. First kick. Idles nicely. So we'll take it outside, go for a little ride. And now that we got the bike outside, we're gonna head and fire it up, do a quick lap in the parking lot. I'll take it up and down the street, and then we'll bring it back here. like I said, we're offering this at no reserve. So if you have any questions, let us know in the commentary. If you have any shipping questions as well, we can ship this bike anywhere in the country. So reach out to us with your zip code, get your shipping quote, no problem. So with that, good luck, everyone.